Is it possible to recondition past traumatic experience into future ambitious goals? That's a big topic that we'll be discussing today. If you guys enjoy this, leave us a like. See you on the other side.
What is actually going on here? What is actually influencing my feeling about this thing, this person? Especially when it comes to traumatic experiences from your past, a small thing can trigger a very big response. To break those perceptions, you need to look at the truth. Like, okay, what is actually going on here? What is actually influencing my feeling about this thing, this person, or this place? And when you do that, then over time you can recondition yourself. I remember reading about a study a few years ago where they had people who were despondent, so, not feeling well.
Okay, sure.
So there were
Like
these people, yeah, let's say there were these people that were maybe depressed is a bit too strong of a word, but just in an emotionally unideal place.
Sure.
And they had them force themselves to smile. Just sit for 5 minutes and smile. And the change in emotion was significant for those people. So literally something as small as changing your physiology, changing the way that you carry yourself. I know Tony Robbins also speaks about your posture and how that influences your way that you feel about yourself. If something as simple as smiling when you have no reason, if that can trigger your brain to think, oh wait, I'm actually happy, I'm smiling, so I must be. If you can change your perception through something that simple, then just looking at the truth over time, that will change your perception.
And I think that there's absolutely no better outcome for a new belief than new experiences. Especially when we speak about trauma and people that has been in traumatic experiences in the past. And trauma is a very real thing. It really forms a fundamental belief system and experience that you had because it was so true and it was so intense. The level of emotion, the level of experiences at that time was so intense. But the only way to truly overcome it is with new experiences.
Yeah.
And like your point is sometimes you just need to trick the brain. It's like everything is actually okay. Everything's going to be all right.